Uppercut. So today edition is all about uppercut. It's a very simple punches, but simple but complicated on how to perform. Okay, why? Because a lot of people tend to do mistakes, and when people do mistakes on performing uppercut, they tend to injure their shoulder. We don't want that to happen in the class. Alright, in strong nation or body combat or shadow boxing or any kind of mixed martial art classes. Now everybody, uppercut is a vertical punch target under the chin. So the name itself is uppercut. It goes up, alright? It goes up, straight up. It's a close range attack, target under the chin. So the right way on how to do uppercut is as the same as you are doing basic punches. Now, clench your fist twice, hold it tight, and then one thumb down, okay? Over here, you have 4 points, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 fingers, right? Don't use these two. These two are the smallest, are the weakest point of your finger, okay? Use this instead. Use this two instead, the biggest one. If you use this smallest two, you might gonna end up injured yourself if you punch a real person. Okay, so uppercut, vertical punch. Keyword, drop your shoulder down. You need to relax on the shoulder so that you can feel the momentum as you bring your uppercut down and up. This is how you do uppercut. Okay? Hand, always guard up. One hand's attack, one hand's protect, and cover your face. Cover your beautiful face. Right, left, or left, right. Any side. Clench your fist, okay? Power comes from the ground, so you need to feel the rotation. Straight up. This is how you don't do uppercut. Or, okay, side view. Or, okay, this is still a punches, but it's not uppercut, alright? This is punch target the tummy. Uppercut target under the chin. So bring your hands a little bit higher and closer to you. Instead of drop down here, you need to make sure bring your hands up 90 degrees, and hand very close to your face. Another key to do a basic uppercut with endurance. Control your breathing. Okay? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay. The guard. Another important stuff. Guard up. Always remember, one hand's attack, one hand's protect. Why? Watch me. One hand's attack, one hand's protect. In case someone comes and targets your face, your hands is already prepared to guard your face. Okay? One hand's attack, one hand's protect. Show you full body view for uppercut, alright? So this is full itself. Stand by position. Guard up. Relax the shoulder and launch your uppercut straight up. Straight up. Use a mirror, any mirror as your indicator, as your guideline. Up and up. Guards up, it goes up. Another one, use your leg. Bring your knee in. Lock your hip, alright? Lock your hip. Power comes from the ground. Let's do it again. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. You have to go big, just small, that will do. Don't do this. Bounce. Never bounce. Okay, everybody? Example. This is what you do. Bouncing. You don't want that to happen because it looks funny. Okay? I look funny. Right, left. Instead, relax. Elbow close to your rib cage. Side view. Move legs together. Stand by position. Right, left. Change. One leg stand forward. We call it the offensive stance. Combat stance. 1, 2, 1, 2. Guard up while you are doing uppercut. Okay, one hand's attack, one hand's protect. Shoulder straight, the down, knee up, back heels, up. Change, back heels up. It's a short range attack. The person is standing right in front of you. Target under the chin, okay? If you do this, different target. You're going to hit the tummy, alright? Make it closer, make it higher, as same height as your chin. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question about the tutorial so far. That's it for Uppercut today tutorial. I hope it will be helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, and comment whatever you think about the video. If you want to add on something, you want to add on value, do suggest me. I will try my best to increase the value of the video, and it will be very beneficial for me and will be very beneficial for you guys as well. Peace. See you guys again, yeah. This is how you do uppercut. Clench your fist tight. One hand attack, one hand protect. Drop your shoulder as you do one by one. Okay? This is how you don't do uppercut. Or clench your fist and keep your elbow close to your ribcage. Practice makes perfect, everybody. Take your time. Hi team, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.